back once again to another Sandwich Saturday. Nice little toasty here, really simple. Brie and bacon. What a lovely combo. Okay, well this one is super easy. Brie and bacon. Now with my brie, I like to see that white stuff on the edge. Some people cut it all off. I like it on there. Bacon, I've got a smoked bacon there, a lean back, but if you wanted you could use an unsmoked streaky or something like that. I've cooked mine, it's a little bit crispy but not crazy crispy. If you want, do it exactly how you like. Okay, so 4 slices of bread for 2 sandwiches. As you can see, I've buttered them and these are the outside, so let's flip them over. Like I say, this is a really, really easy sandwich, but absolutely delicious. So we can get some bacon on there. There you go. Just load it up. Another bit here. And then our brie, which I've just sliced, as you can see. Fantastic. This really, really does look good. And that's it, I'm not putting anything else on this. We don't need salt because the bacon's quite salty. And yeah, I don't think anything else is required. So top on, butter side up, top on, butter side up. We're gonna go to our sandwich maker or grill or press. So I've got my sandwich maker or grill on full blast. I like it on a high heat. We're gonna drop these in. We're gonna close it and I'm coming back on 3 or 4 minutes. They should be beautiful. Okay, let's jump in, take a look. Oh yeah, they are looking supreme. Okay, let's get them on the side, cut them open. Okay, super hot. Let's have a look in here. Nice and easy. Brie and bacon. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's have a go at that. Ah. See you later.